Welcome to this channel, traders. Yesterday I shared a very good strategy for Nasdaq, but it was on computer. So today I want to show you how to do it on mobile for all my mobile traders. Remember, the strategy is very simple. You just highlight the first candle on the Sydney session, okay, and when price closes below it, you take a sell. Okay, let's just look at maybe 3 examples. Okay, you highlight the first candle of the Sydney session, and if price closes above it, you take a buy. Okay, let's take the last one. You highlight the first candle on the Sydney session. If price closes above, you take a buy. If it closes below, you take a sell. We looked at that on that video. So today let us look at how to do it on mobile. First thing, I know you might not even know when the Sydney session opens. So just go to Google and type when Sydney session opens in, write your location. Here I wrote South Africa time zone. You can write Nigeria time zone or Australia or United Kingdom time zone, and then it is going to show you. For South Africans, this session opens at 11 p.m. So what you need to do is this. You need to set an alarm, not really at 11 p.m. but at 5 past 11 p.m. because remember, if this is the candle at 11 p.m., you want the first candle, okay, of this Sydney session, which means it is going to be at 5 past. So at 5 past 11, that will be the candle. Now let us go straight into our mobile phone, and so that I can show you. This is a strategy that I'm currently making a research on. Okay, if it goes well, I'm going to share it with you in this channel. Okay, you can see that. So you can just subscribe so that you don't miss it. Okay, let's say you have set the alarm. You'll have to zoom in like that. Okay, let's say that small candle was the candle at 12 p.m. and this is the candle at 5 past 12. Okay, and then the running candle, it is around 6, between 6 past 12 past 11, I mean, to 10 past. Okay, so your candle of focus is that green candle. What you need to do is come to shapes, okay, and then you have to select that horizontal line. Okay, so I'll select that horizontal line and then I put it above that green candle. Remember, we're focusing on that candle at 5 past, and then go to shapes again, click that plus sign and set another horizontal line just below that candle. Okay, now these two, you can then zoom out. These two horizontal lines, traders, are like the boundaries of this thing. Okay, these are the horizontal lines that I am helping you to draw, the boundaries of this key level. So if price closes below that line, you sell. If it closes above, you buy. Easy as that, traders. So you are going to wait right here and see how price plays out. If it closes above the upper line, you take a buy, put your stop loss below this bottom line. You can use a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3. And another thing, be wise, traders. Start with a smaller risk. Start with a smaller risk, and then if you lose the first trade, okay, there's something else I wanted to show you. Let me check for that. You are usually going to find a gap, okay, like right here. You are usually going to find a gap in the candles. After this gap, your candle of focus should be that one at 5 past. Just making sure that you identify the right candle. So on your mobile, you are going to identify that candle that comes after the gap. Okay, so if price closes above the upper line, you buy. Okay, so the other thing I wanted to show you is that you start with a lower risk. You start with a lower risk, 2 to 3 trades, as I have said yesterday. If you lose the trade, wait for the next opportunity. Okay, let's say price comes here, you take a buy and then it drops to hit your stop loss. Take a sell and put a higher risk, maybe 4 trades. Okay, so that when you hit your target, you can cover your losses. And another thing, if you start with those 2 to 3 trades and price moves about 20 pips in your direction, close one of the trades, move stop loss to entry, and then you hold the remaining trades until they hit your target. Trading is just like that. It is all about finding the entry and managing risk. So that is how you can do it on mobile. Maybe the last thing that I can add is that make sure you also set an alarm, or you identify the beginning of the New York session. That is 3 p.m. for South Africans. I don't know about your location. You can research it again, because at the beginning of the New York session, you have to get out, close your trades, because price is very much likely to misbehave. Okay, at this point, it might just take you out. Let me check right here. So now you could still be holding until the New York session begins. Then you close all your trades. Okay, so it is like that, traders. Go ahead and backtest this strategy. Maybe for those who are using on a computer and didn't see the first video, this indicator is found on TradingView. It's a free indicator. What you do is you come right here and search for sessions by Lux Algo. This is the indicator. So you just click there, and for the settings, let me show you. These are the settings. Right here, you just select the session that you want to focus on. I have selected New York, London. I left Tokyo and I selected Sydney. Right here, you will find a yellow color. Make sure to put black so that it is visible. Okay, and down you have to leave the last 4 boxes unchecked, and then you press OK. So this is the indicator, traders. I wish you the best as you trade this on your mobile phone. Thank you for watching.